Tad dirty. Imagine putting your left hand drive free coaster on the right hand drive without realising until you look at the back tyre and you see, no, it's the wrong way around. Yep, I am that dumb. Oh, fuck. Nope. Way. Oh god. Shit.
These weird people. Never gonna watch it.
By the way, so.
Oh really?
Yeah, you're gonna get that feature.
Do you guys want to see a kickflip? No way.
Commentate on how you're feeling right now.
Sad, lonely. I'm bored. As you can see, the devastation is right there. Need a new board, so damn good coffee shop. I need a sponsor. Calm me down. Okay, I'm going to be showing you my bike setup. So I've got the Sullymobile. Yeah, it cost a lot of money. Yeah. Right, let's ride it. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, bunny up. Oh, that was for the boys.
Wow.
That is the Sullymobile. Thank you. Right, my back's starting to hurt, so I gotta get up and... Clean it up.
Yeah.
Oh wow. I don't know.
Tech deck. Live your dreams.
Oh, didn't land there.
Just put it in there. Let it go. Oh my god. Right. Oh my god. Look at this wheelie steed angles.
Yo, yeah, that's not me. I like wiping your Audi, used to wear the kit, but I put it in the bin because I'm not 43. That's not me. Eat that chicken back before I finish this wrap and hit it with a boom. You don't even fit in a log flume. Hey.
Fuck it up.
Pure bars right there.
Jesus Christ.
That was sick. I'm not even good at it. Dramatic. How do we make this dramatic?
Do you smell like CBD?
No.
Goodbye.
Have a nice time, bye, Stanley.